Anin Buju band members, today is Thursday, June 3rd. COVID updates for the county. Aiken County yesterday, 1,370. There's an increase of 1 today, 1,371. Crow Wing yesterday, 6,787. And today, 6,788. That's a 1 increase as well. Mille County, yesterday, 3,103, and today, 3,104. Pine County, yesterday, 3,334, and today, 3,346. On the reservation, District 1 and District 2A, no change. No increases, 119. District 2, 12, no change. District 3, 35, no change. In many of the reports that we receive from the CDC, the Health and Human Services at the state, our own band, Health and Human Services, that there is a decline of the number of positive cases. And as you can remember, that every day that there were so many new positives in the state and across the reservation. And because many people are starting to get vaccinated, we don't see a lot of positive cases on the rise. And they're talking about in the US, that 50% of adult Americans are fully vaccinated. And again, we talk about if you have family and friends that are not vaccinated, please urge them to get the vaccine. The next vaccination clinic is June 9th, 8 a.m. to noon at the D1 Neoshin Clinic. And of course, you have the opportunity to call the vaccine registration hotline to sign up. That number is 320-532-1984. Yesterday at the band assembly, that was the first time that the band assembly meetings was live streamed. I want to give a shout out to our Secretary Treasurer, Sheldon Boyd, and the rest of the band assembly members for working on and approving that band assembly meetings are now live streamed. That means anyone can attend a band assembly meeting by participating live stream. This is the first time in our history that this has occurred of live streaming. And as many of you know, Sheldon is the type of a secretary treasurer that he wants to make sure that anyone that wants to be a part of a band assembly meeting now has the opportunity. Secretary Treasurer Sheldon Boyd talked about that he is really working on investments for the band. This is the first time that a Secretary Treasurer has really dug deep into how our investments are done, and he wants to make sure band members understand that as well. So again, I want to say thank you, Secretary Treasurer Sheldon Boyd and the Band Assembly for giving all of us as band members the opportunity to learn about investments and the work that the Band Assembly is doing. Our office of the Chief Executive is planning the elder trip to the annual NICOA conference, which is in Reno, Nevada this year, and that is August 1 through the 6th. And you now have the opportunity, and we're asking, please send in all of your information by June 9th. And we realize that there is a time constraint associated with the meeting deadline. And please, if you have a chance, send in your information, and Nora Benjamin in the chief's office will take your information, 320-532-7486. There are a couple of graduation celebrations today, and at 5:30 at the casino is for the Onemia Indian students, and also Nyashing is having their graduation this evening as well. And congratulations to all our graduates. And again, a little bit of fun news that at the new fitness center, yesterday the splash pad was on, so there were some kids that were over there enjoying that. And just so you know that splash pad will be open. And if you bring your kids over, please supervise them. All kids going to the splash pad will need to have an adult with them. And it is also at your own risk. And this coming weekend, we hear it's going to be extremely hot. So maybe this will be the opportunity, if you don't take your kids to the lake, that they can go to the splash pad here in District 1. There's a little repair being done to the splash pad in District 3. So they're working on that. Hopefully the kids will have fun. As a reminder, the new Athletic and Aquatic Center will have an open house on June 19th. So put that on your schedules and hope to see you there. With that, I'd like to say, have a good weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Miigwech.